This is the 5 benefits of having a strong business credit profile. Access to better credit terms. Having a good credit profile will allow you to have a lower interest rate and longer terms in your loans and credit cards. Improving your borrowing capacity, meaning that if you apply for a loan or a credit card, the ability for you to have a bigger amount and higher amounts, it is more probable than having a low credit score. Having more favorable insurance rates. Yes, having a low business credit score can affect the ability of you getting low rates on your insurance for your business, for a fleet of vehicle, for whatever you need business insurance for. Enhance business reputation. Yes, having a strong credit profile can attract investors and can attract potential partners to be able to see your business as a strong business, a business that they want to buy into and invest into. Increase financial security. Having a good business credit score can increase your financial security in a way that you have the peace of mind that at any time, if you need to, you can borrow in order to help your business, to scale your business, and to operate your business. If you need help, let us help you. Click here and let's get you your free one-on-one strategy call.